Hello there, Mark here. In this short video, try naman natin mag-migrate papuntang Java. Java is also a programming language, just like C++. Ang kinaibahan lang is different sila ng syntax and purpose. But kung naalala ninyo yung pinagagagawa natin mga programming exercise before, kaya rin naman yung gawin dito sa Java. Ang kinaibahan lang is yung kanilang syntax nga. So parang imagine niyo na lang na nag-aaral kayo ng different kind of language. Parang kung dati nag-aaral kayo ng Filipino or Tagalog, this time mag-aaral naman tayo ng English. So ganun na lang yung isipin niyo. So we have here yung ating IDE or Integrated Development Environment or yung ating code editor using code editor pag gagamit ng Java. So we have IntelliJ IDEA. So you can download it, search nyo lang sa Google, i-ano nyo lang yung kanilang instructions kung paano i-install. So let's try to create a new project. Click natin tong new project button. Then i-ano nyo lang, maintain nyo lang na Java yung nakaselect. Then proceed sa next. I-ano lang yun natin, next. Then pangalanan natin siya as my first project. My first Java project. Finish. So, ito yung kanyang ito yung una nyo makikita once na nag-open yung project natin. So, to start na mag-code, i-ano lang natin to, click lang natin to. Then, right-click on the source folder, itong src. Click nyo, then, Java class. Pangalanan na lang natin yung Java class natin as sample. So, we have here yung ating code na. Ang starting code natin is public class sample. Just like nung sa C++ basics natin, kailangan natin ng main method. Kung dati, sa C++ natin is ganito lang siya, main, tapos open and close brackets. Dito sa Java, medyo mahaba yung kailangan. So, we have public static void main. String, then square brackets to indicate na ano siya, array args. Then open and close braces. So wag niyo na munang intindihin kung para saan yan. Just imagine na yan yung ating main method. Diyan kasi yung unang titignan ng ating compiler once na nira natin siya. Now, start with the basic natin, yung pinaka common which is yung hello world, printing out hello world. Kung dati cout ang gamit, dito is medyo mahaba din, system.out.print. Then, open and close parenthesis, hello world. Or kung gusto niyo ng shortcut, just type sout, then press tab na key. Automatic na yan, system.out.println. Hello world. Okay, now how to run this one? Punta kayo sa run, then just run. And then pag lumabas ng dialog na to, just click sample. Magpapakita yung result dito sa ating terminal. Hintayin natin siya matapos mag-build. Okay, great. So, hello world, then hello world. So, nagawa na natin yung pinaka-basic program. Gawa pa tayo ng isa pa using variables naman. Try natin na mag-declare ng dalawang variables, age and name. So, si age is obviously a number. So, kailangan natin ng int. Same lang din dito. Kung ano yung integer doon sa C++, int lang din yung tawag sa kanya dito. Then, age, which is yung variable name natin, i-assign natin as 18. In here naman, ang kinaibahan sa string is capital yung ating string, not lowercase yung ating s, capital yung s. Next is name, right, per meal. Okay, so ang goal natin is to output a sentence like, for example, Mark Fermil is 18 years old. So yan yung goal natin na mapa-print out. Now, how to do that? So, katulad lang din ng kanina, sout, then tab, para lumitaw yung system.out.println. The next is, since ito is given, saan siya makukuha? Sa name. So, ilagay lang natin yung name dito. Then, concatenate using plus na symbol is Next is 18, which is manggagaling sa age. Then last is yung word na years old. Need ng period dito, lagyan din natin ng period dito. Okay, so try to run this one, run sample. Nagbe-build pa siya, so wait lang natin yung result. Okay, so Mark Fermil is 18 years old. Tama, Mark Fermil is 18 years old. So hanggang doon lang muna yung ating video for today. Try ko lang na short videos lang muna. Then on the next video siguro is yung ating pag-handle ng input mula sa user. And then pag-display ng mga type ng user. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.